How to get business with affiliate marketing. So, you've made it. You're ready to get into affiliate marketing, right? Well, now is the time. You probably have a lot of inquiries on how to start and what to do, but no worries, this video has you covered. Listed below are some tips that will help you get started with your affiliate marketing plans. Most importantly, your website content must be up to par. Your website will never get quality traffic if you are not targeting the consumer with information that is relevant and informative. An affiliate program will never work if you do not get good traffic directed through your site at a constant pace. Earn more on your website or blog by balancing out pay-per-click advertising with affiliate links. Affiliate links should take more of your high-profile advertising space because they earn you more money per click. Affiliate marketing programs also give you more control over the content of the advertising on your site, which is important in building up your reputation with readers. A good affiliate marketing tip is to design an ad that can blend in well with your site. By designing an ad that has the same font and color as your site, visitors might be fooled into clicking on the ad. This can be a great way to get traffic. Exchanging visitors using a web ring is a free way to enhance your internet marketing. Web rings are a closed system of websites that allow users to view other sites similar to what they are currently viewing. By joining one, you are not only going to gain more exposure from the link exchange, but also increase your search engine listing stats. Now you are much more prepared when it comes to affiliate marketing. You thought that you were ready before, well, look at you, now. Hopefully, the tips that were provided gave you some pointers that will help you get started with your affiliate marketing so that you can begin marketing like a pro. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.